Hi guys, okay, so today's wig is from Chinalacewig. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. So this is the 360 wig. As you guys can see, it comes with combs inside and a strap at the back of the wig. So the wig comes pre-plucked, so I don't think I'll need to do anything to it, and it comes already styled as well, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna install this wig for you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've got the wig on now. I was trying to like install the wig straight from the box, but it clearly needs like some sort of customization, as you guys can see, because the hairline is still very dense, because all they've done is they've made some baby hairs at the front, and then the hairline is still very dense, as you can see. But I've got the wig on now. I'm just going to try and make it work. So today I'm going to be using my olive oil fix it grip gel to install the wig. I normally use the spray, but today I'm going to be using the gel, and I've used the gel before. I actually really like it because the hold is actually really good. Guys, please excuse how I look so tired because I've not been getting enough sleep. Okay, so oh yeah, one thing I will say is that the wig definitely came pre-bleached, because I don't need to bleach the knots. They look fine. So and I really wish I had plucked this wig, but obviously because it came freestyled, I just wanted to like just install the wig straight from the box. But we're here now, so I'm just gonna have to work with the hairline that's on here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done installing the wig. The lace is really good because it literally just melts into your skin. The only thing is the cap is definitely big for me. So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, there's like little lumps at the front. That's just because the lace is actually really big for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys what my face looks like. So as you guys can see, I've taken off my elastic band and my makeup is also done. So I did record this makeup look, so the video will be coming out soon. This is what the lace is looking like. It's literally melted in, like you can't even see it. So they definitely went plain when they said HD lace, because where is the lace? Where is it? Where is it? It's undetectable. Okay, HD lace. The lace is lit, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually lit. But I just wish I plucked the hairline a bit more, because you guys can see how dense it is around this area. But it's fine. So I've just changed my top. Honestly guys, the only thing is I wish I had gone ahead and customized the hairline a bit more. Apart from that, the wig is sweet. Like, I love this wig. And the only annoying thing as well is that because the cap is big for me, you guys can see like this lines at the front is so annoying. But yeah, I love it. And this is what the back looks like, by the way. Let me show you guys what the back looks like so you guys can see. And it's not glued down at the back, just with the elastic band, the strap that comes inside the cap. So I'll say this wig is definitely worth buying. The hair, even the hair that comes with the wig as well, is so soft, literally. And you can obviously tell that it really holds curls. Like, this is so cute. Guys, I just love how versatile this wig is. Obviously this is another way you can style the wig, and it still looks fine at the back. You guys can see, you can't see the lace or anything, like it looks fine. I really like this wig. I feel like this 360 wig is definitely worth you buying. Like, it's so nice. So now I'm just going to show you like another way you can style this wig when you have it down. So okay, so now I'm just going to add some curls just to define the front a bit more, because I feel like the curls are just all over the place. I'm going to grab my straighteners and I'm going to do it this way. So I want the curls going off my face. So So like I said, this wig is from Chinalacewig, and this is a 360 wig, and I got the wig in 180 density, so it's like that is the perfect density if you don't want your hair to be too full or too thin. It's just right in the middle, and you know, perfect for every day or even going out as well, like, you know. So I really like this wig. I love the fact that obviously it's so versatile. You can wear it up, wear it down like this, and I guess you don't really have to customize the hairline, because with this it looks fine. But I wish I had gone in and customized the hairline a bit more, because there's some parts of the hair where I feel like I could have gone in and just like plucked a bit more to make the hairline a bit more natural, you know. So but apart from that, I really like this. This is so nice. The hair is really lush and it's so soft as well. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below that you guys need to know. If you're interested in this wig, please check the link down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Like I said, I really like how versatile this wig is. You can wear it up and you can wear it down like this. This is really cute. Love it. And the lace as well, oh my god, the lace. This is definitely HD lace. You guys can see how undetectable this, you guys can see how undetectable this lace is. Like, it literally just melts into your skin. The only thing is, because the cap is slightly big for me, you can see like there's some wrinkles like at the front of the wig, but apart from that, it's fine. I love it. Please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.